Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday I have told you that to send the topic of science which we should start today, but you people have not posted on the group till now. So I am starting the last exercise, second exercise of trigonometry 8.2. So before starting the exercise, I want that you people should learn the table 8.1 on page number 185, on which they have given the values of sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. But if you learn only the value of sine, then you can reverse the value of sine for cos, and when you know sine and cos, you can find tan, because sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta, and when you know cot theta, 1 upon cot theta is cot theta, so 1 upon tan theta is cot theta, so reciprocal of tan you get cot theta, and when you know about sine, the reciprocal of sine is cosec theta, and when you know cos, reciprocal of cos is sec theta. So you can go through it. So we'll start with the table 8.1, page number 185. So I will solve the fourth problem, because first, second and third seems easy, you can solve it. So fourth problem says sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So I have seen the values of 30 is 1 by 2, plus tan 45 is 1, and cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. In the same way, sec 30 is 2 upon root 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cot is 45. We put the value here. Then we need to take the common denominator. What is the common denominator? 2 root 3. Here you have 2, so you will multiply the numerator by root 3. 1 into root 3 is root 3, plus here the denominator is 1, so you need to multiply by 2 root 3. So 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. Here you have root 3, so you need to multiply by 2. 2 to the 4, whole divided by. Here also we need to take the same denominator, 2 root 3. You have root 3 here, so you need to multiply by 2. 2 into 2, 4. The sign will remain same, plus minus or plus plus. Here you have 2, so multiply it by root 3. Root 3 into 1 is root 3, plus here the denominator is 1, you will multiply by 2 root 3. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3, please note that the terms with the same surds can be added. Root 3 and root 3, it can be added. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4, whole divided by 2 root 3 into, because this is fraction upon fraction, this fraction becomes inverted reciprocal. 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. So what will happen? This 2 root 3, this 2 root 3 will get cancelled, and you will have 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Now we can further solve it by taking the conjugate of this. So what we will do, we have 4 plus 3 root 3 will multiply by 4 minus 3 root 3, or we will try to arrange both in the same manner. So what is that? 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4, right? So we'll multiply numerator and denominator by 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Why we are multiplying? Because we know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So the numerator becomes the perfect square, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, and in denominator it will become individual square, 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. Now a minus b whole square is a square 3 root 3 whole square minus 2. A is 3 root 3, b is 4, plus b square is 4 square, whole divided by 3 root 3 is 9 into 3. minus 16. Why 9 into 3? Because root 3 square is 3 and 3 square is 9. Here 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. So 9 3s are 27 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 root 3 plus 16 whole divided by 27 minus 16. So what is 27 minus 16? 1 and 1, 11. So in the denominator you will get 11. So 27 plus 16, 12, 13, 3, there 1, 2, 3, 4, 43. So numerator becomes 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So this is what is the answer. Now we will solve this next question number 5, because it seems somewhat, it is not difficult, but it looks complicated. So here they have said 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Please note that there is no need to put the value of sin square 30 and plus cos square 30. I have put the value here, but for your understanding, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we can directly write, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so denominator itself become 1. So we will see how. So it becomes 5. 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4, 4 upon 3, because root 3 is 3, minus 1 whole divided by 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Here we need to have common denominator as 12. 4 3s are 12. Here you have 4, so we have to multiply this by 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 4s are 16 into, you have 3 here, you need to multiply by 4, minus, here denominator is 1, we need to multiply by 12. 1 into 12 is 12 whole divided by, you will have 4 here, common denominator, 1 plus 3. See, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 upon 4 is 1. So here we can directly write the answer, but for your information I have written here so that you can able to check the answer also. So it becomes 15 plus 64 minus 12 whole divided by 12, and here 4 upon 4, 4 4 get cancelled. So it becomes, first we need to add 64 plus 15, 9, 79, and 79 minus 12, 79 minus 12, 7 and 6. So we have 67 upon 12 is the answer of this particular question. Now we are starting with question number 2. 2 tan 30 degrees upon 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. So they have said choose the correct option and justify your answer. So what I have done, 2 tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon tan square 30 is 1 upon root 3 square. So here what we get, 2 upon root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. Here again we need to multiply for common denominator. 2 upon root 3 whole divided by 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 upon 3. So what you will get, 2 upon root 3 into, this 3 will go up because it is inverted, 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You will get 2 upon 2 root 3. What you will get, 2 upon 2 root 3. But we know this 2 root 3, 3 upon 3 root 3. But this root 3 we need to get cancelled. So what we will do, 3 upon 2 root 3 into root 3, divide and multiply by root 3. So what we will get, 3 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. this 3 get cancelled. We will have root 3 upon 2. What we will have? Root 3 upon 2. What is the value of root 3 upon 2? From the table, they have given the value sine 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sine 30. If we get the value of root 3 upon 2, we will get sine 60. So we say answer is sine 60. So what is answer? Sine 60 degrees. And sine 60 degrees is what? A option. In the same way, second question number 2, 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. So tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 square is 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 upon 2. And 0 upon 2 is nothing but 0. And when it is 0, so we need to find the value, and the answer is D, 0. Because tan 90 is not defined. 1 is not the answer. Again, sine 45, the value of sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. But the answer is D, 0. Now, the last part is question number 3. Tan A plus B is root 3. Tan A minus B is 1 upon root 3. We need to find the values. So what we will do? We will try to see the table. Which tan is root 3? Tan 60 degrees. So what we will say? Therefore, A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. This is equation 1. And which tan is 1 upon root 3? Is tan 30. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Clearly from two equations we can solve it simultaneously. So we say subtract, add, because one is plus and one is minus. Add equation 1 and 2. So you will get A plus B is equal to 60. A minus B is equal to 30. And when we add, minus B plus B get cancelled. A plus A, 2A is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 45 degrees. And they have clearly said A is greater than B. When A is 45, put it in equation 1. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. So what is A? 45. 45 plus B is equal to 60 degrees. We will move B 45 on the right hand side. B is equal to 60 minus 45. So B becomes 15 degrees. So we get the value A is equal to 45 degrees and B is equal to 60 degrees. If we add together, it becomes 60. And if we subtract together, it becomes 30. So this is how we can able to find the answer. I am giving you homework. Question number 4. Complete. It's just true and false. Question number 2. 2 questions. And question number 1. Again 3 questions. So these are homework. Complete it and send the topic on the group about the science, because I want that we will start with science, one of the topic, and then again continue with this topic. Okay, Allah Hafiz.